Located in the city of Foz do Iguaçu, Paraná, the residence was designed with thermal and lighting comfort as priorities. The main facade is located to the north, where the access road to the garage is located, arranged to mitigate the solar radiation coming from the west facade and increase the thermal inertia of the social space, composed of the hall, living, and dining rooms, kitchen, and gourmet area. The social spaces receive natural light through high windows, which are shaded for most of the day by the eaves of the social block's roof. The social and intimate blocks are visually connected by the internal courtyard, where the swimming pool and leisure area are located. The materiality of the building is marked by the use of glued laminated wood and a texture that refers to natural painting. Most of the walls were built with ceramic bricks, but for those that would receive direct sunlight, it was chosen to use autoclaved cellular concrete blocks, aiming to reduce thermal transmission to the interior of the spaces. The use of molten stone surrounding the barbecue volume, which is sometimes internal and sometimes external, connected to the wooden deck, which invites the extension of the social area to the pool, keeps the user connected to the garden at all times. The garden is distributed with native vegetation, which has an automatic irrigation system and humidity sensor. The interior design exposes the purity that was sought throughout the entire design and execution process. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.